Hey y'all, hey, it is your homegirl Shay, and today I am bringing you an oldie but a goodie. If you are new to line dancing, you are going to want to have this one in your pocket, and even if you've been line dancing for a minute, here's a great refresher. So here is one of my favorite dances. Today I'm going to be bringing you Smooth Funk from our very own modern day Michael Jackson, aka Bruno Mars. Feel free to argue with me. Now, because this is one of my favorite dances, if you are new here with me, red stands for right. This dance is going to start on our right. This is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level dance. Now, there is also an optional tag to this dance. I will show you that at the end. But all that means is you can do the dance straight through as I'm going to teach it with you. And once you get it down, you want to add your little funk to it, try that tag. But for right now, so that you and I can stay together for every step, I'm going to turn around and jump right into it. I really think you're going to love this one. All right, so starting on our right, our first 8 counts, fairly simple. We're going to toe out to the right, toe out to the left, right, left, heel, heel. If you are someone who likes to count, that count is going to go 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple enough. Now we're going to add our next set of 8 counts. We're actually going to go up for a half turn pivot, back for a half turn pivot, and we'll end with a V-step, heel, toe, heel. I know that sounds super complicated, but it's not. Let me show it to you first. So the step will go 1, pivot on your left, 2, 3 on your right, 4 back, 5, 6, heel, toe, heel. The count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. Let's try that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. From here, you have 2 options. The easiest way to get there if you're a beginner is you're going to do an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder. So we'll be facing that wall. You can roll, roll. The dance is choreographed with a heel toe. What that looks like is heel, slide, toe, heel, slide, toe. Either way, we're facing the left wall. And I will show you that with the count, okay? So once you have pivoted back and you are here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get there the same way with heel, toe, heel, toe. Let's put that together quickly just from our pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. The very next steps are going to be a cross push step, or you'll hear some people call it step push, push back, step push back. What that looks like is cross push back, cross push back. Try that. Cross push back, cross push back. Cross on your right, push back on your left, step. Cross on your left, push back on your right, step. Let's add that count together, all right? Just from the roll, roll to get to that left wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. We only have a little bit more to go. All right, we're facing our left wall. We've done our cross push step. You're going to step up for 2, right, left, mambo step, right, left, right. Okay? Let's try that together. We're going to go again from our heel, toe, or roll, roll. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Weight is on our right. We're going to step back on our left for a half turn. You're going to step again on your right for a half turn back to where you were at that left wall. Dance will start over. Now, here's the part where you pause and practice, but let's run that back from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance starts over. Okay, now before we go on, because we've ended the step, I've given you all the steps. I do want to show you the tag. Now, some people say, oh, the tag starts at wall 9 and 10. That's great. I want you to listen to the song. So there is a part in the song where he goes, you need to activate your, Okay, so the tag will start when he goes, silky, smooth, and snap. So what you will do, and I'll face back to the left, instead of that step, step, mambo, step, step, back, turn, what you're going to do is step, 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 hook, turn, snap, step, 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 hook, turn, snap. What that will look like after you've done this, again, practice with the basic steps first. You, silky smooth. You will hear it in the song. So for right now, what I need you to do, because I went through all the steps plus your tag, it's okay. Feel free to rewind. But before you go, make sure you dance with me while you're practicing these steps. And I need you all to do the things that need to be done. What is that? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you want to dance to next. Let me know what you're dancing to. And I do want to add, if you all are ever in the Savannah area, please come dance with me. Shay got steps. Now you do too. I hope y'all love this dance as much as I do. Y'all got it. Bye.